Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to display the FPS counter in Counter-Strike 2. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us grow. Now let's get started. Launch Counter-Strike 2. Click the Settings icon. Open the Game tab. Scroll down to the Telemetry section. Find Show Frame Time and FPS. Click the drop-down menu. Select Always. This will display your FPS and your frame time while you're playing. Next, find Show Ping. Click the drop-down menu. Select Always. This will display your ping, so you can monitor your internet connection while playing. You can leave the other telemetry settings at their default values, unless you want to monitor additional network information. Return to the game. You should now see your FPS, frame time, and ping on your screen. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.